Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you best useful photo toolkit app for iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for one application name as Pick Easy, and you will see here Pick Easy private photo tool. So just click on it. So now just click on Get to download and install it. So once the installation is done, just tap on Open. On opening, you will see here various options. So you can see here under the photo processing, you can see you can compress photo, where you can reduce the file size, you can resize photo, change white, height and resolutions, you can crop a photo to common ratios, and even you can convert your respective image files to different image formats. And below you will see here under the photo layout, you can stitch the image or join photos horizontally or vertically. And you can see here grid crop, you can split photos into grid pieces. And here you can see panorama slice, you can slice white photos into a sequence. And below you will see here privacy tools. Under the privacy tools, you can clear the metadata. That means all the location and camera information, you can clear it by using this option. And even you can privacy mask. That means you can hide faces and sensitive text on your respective image file. So let us try one option. So say I want to stitch some image file. So let me click on this option, and now just tap on this plus button. Now just select your respective image files. So you can select multiple image files. So let me select just 2 files just to give an example. Now just tap on this tick mark button. So now you can see here it's auto stitch the different images into one image. So you can see right now the vertical option is being selected. If you want it in the horizontal, then you can just click on this horizontal option. So you can see it will stitch in the horizontal manner, and below you can see your alignment, where you want the alignment, whether you want it in the center, bottom or top, and below you can see overlap adjustment photos. So once you are satisfied with the respective editing, you can just click on the start processing, tap on allow. So it will be saved to your Photos application. So you can try yourself the various options, whichever is necessary for you on your day-to-day uses. So in my opinion, it's one of the best useful photo toolkit app for iPhone and iPad devices that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.